that information is enough.
Thank you. My name is Boniface Musembi. I work for the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition, which is GAIN in short. I'm the communications manager. And GAIN, through one of our projects called Cascade, that we co-implement together with CARE, have organized this media training workshop on nutrition reporting. Why we have organized this workshop is because we appreciate that the media is a gatekeeper when it comes to nutrition and health information, because the media plays a key role in determining what it is that the communities read, what it is that they hear, and what it is that they watch. And therefore, we brought together over 10 journalists from this county of Nyandarua, together with a team of communication officers from the county government, the Directorate of Communication and Public Relations, so that we may help them appreciate some of the nutrition and health dynamics and how they can be involved in reporting and creating awareness to the public on the need for them to consume healthy diets, and also to, and especially looking at the season that we are in, around the Christmas season, and there's a lot of feasting. We also really want them to be champions to create awareness on the place of good nutrition, but also to advocate that policymakers will really look into some of the policies that we have that speak to the importance of good nutrition. The catalyzing strengthened action for improved policy action, and that is the Cascade. Sorry, let me just retake that. The Cascade project is being implemented by the Global Alliance for Improved Nutrition and Care, with funding from the Dutch government in 3 counties of Nyandarua, Nakuru, and Nairobi. And the goal of the project is to improve food security and contribute to the reduction of malnutrition for about almost 1 million women of reproductive age and children who are under 5 years of age. And we are doing this by working with the county governments, working with the private sector, working with communities, so that we may create awareness on the importance of good nutrition. But we also appreciate the key role that our counties plays when it comes to the legislative framework, and therefore we are supporting them to be able to implement some of the nutrition-related policies, because we have, through one of the studies that we have done, that sought to understand the food systems and nutrition landscape in Kenya.
My name is Jesse Masai. I work for the county government of Nyandarua as the head of communication. We are partnering with CARE and GAIN, and today's training is part of that engagement. We appreciate this training because it helps us to grow as a government, but also our partners in the media to also understand the key role they play in informing Wanjiku and the country. We believe that information is key for progress, also for creating understanding, and Nyandarua being a market leader in the food sector, milk, potatoes, vegetables, horticulture, yet we struggle with nutrition issues, points to the need for us to create a space where we have frank and robust exchange of information on how best to tell these stories. It's one thing to be a leader in producing food, and also be another thing also be able to help our people understand how best to use the same food, apart from being able to also sell it to other people. So this training, not the first but one among many, is a key step in being able to continue this understanding beyond what has been the case in the past.
Tulikuja leo kusoma mambo ya nutrition na kufanya business na nutritional zenye ziko na nutritional value. Ndio tusifanye tu biashara tu kufanya biashara tu, ni kufanya biashara yenye iko na manufaa kwa lishe bora kwa wananchi wetu. Na pia kama sisi ni CHPs tumeona mashida zenye ziko kwa mashinani, so tunafundisha mambo ya kubridge hizo gaps on nutritional health, ndio at least watu waweze kupona na wakuwe na afya, ndio waweze kuendelesha kufanya kazi. Na ningesihi pia watu wa join SBN, hiyo ndio Sun Business Network, ni scaling up nutrition, ndio waweze kufanya biashara yenye iko na manufaa kwa wananchi, ndio waweze kupata afya njema.
My name is Paul Migwe. I work for the county government of Nyandarua. I'm the coordinator of nutrition services. We have had a media training today where we want to engage the media in as far as informing the public is concerned. We are aware that to our people, the news that usually sell is negative news, but we want to change the narrative so that we can use our media to be able to talk to our people, to create the awareness on good nutrition. We realize that this county of ours is a bread basket. We produce a lot of milk, we produce a lot of vegetables, we produce a lot of potatoes, which we can leverage on to ensure that the incomes are used to procure nutritious foods, so that we don't forget ourselves at the expense of getting rich. So getting rich, the first wealth that we can create is having good health. You realize that according to the recently released KDHS, the Kenya Demographic and Health Survey, 18% of our children are stunted. This is the same level as the national level, and counties which are facing very harsh conditions like Garissa have only 9% stunting. So we need to change this narrative for Nyandarua, and this is the high time, by involving the media, the private practitioners, the business people. We work together collectively and address the issues of poor nutrition, so that our people, our children can grow well, so that our population can have a good nutrition throughout the life cycle.
So, jina langu ni Simon Ngure, mimi ni mwanahabari hapa katika kaunti ya Nyandarua, na nilikuwa miongoni mwa wenzangu takriban 10 kutoka nyumba tofauti za habari na pia kitengo cha mawasiliano katika idara ya kaunti ya Nyandarua, na tumeweza kujifunza mengi. Ulikuwa mkutano wa kufuatilia mkutano mingine miwili ambao tumekuwa nayo hapo awali, ambao ilikuwa inahusisha maafisa tofauti kutoka idara za kilimo, afya na pia biashara katika kaunti ya Nairobi, Nyandarua na Nakuru. Na leo ikiwa ni awamu ya kaunti ya Nyandarua, tumeweza kujadili masuala tofauti ambayo tutaweza kutekeleza ili kuhakikisha kwamba kanuni ambazo zinabuniwa na shirika la GAIN pamoja sasa na washikadau tofauti zimeweza kutekelezwa, ili kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanaweza kupata habari muhimu au mafunzo kuhusu lishe bora, kwani kutokana na mafunzo ambayo tumeweza kupata, tumeweza kujua haswa katika kaunti ya Nyandarua watu wajakuwa haswa na ufahamu mzuri kuhusu lishe bora,